Good evening, welcome back to Local 8 News. I'm Paige Noel with your weather update. Right now we're looking at the Great Smoky Mountains Look Rock webcam. Beautiful blue skies, some of that pinkish orangish tint from the sun starting to set. A little hazy as it is really still pretty hot and humid outside. 88 in Knoxville, 91 in Chattanooga. Still pretty warm in Memphis at 94 degrees. What does it actually feel like when you step out the door? Feels like 103 degrees in Memphis. That's pretty uncomfortable. 92 here at home. Still uncomfortable if you ask me. Still stepping out that door. It's almost 8:30. Still pretty uncomfortable outside. Rain and cloud track showing we did have some showers into our area. Definitely just spotty, hopefully cooling off a few spots. Didn't really cool me off, but hopefully it cooled you off. Most of the rain did stay along this stationary boundary to the west of us, so places like Nashville received some stronger to severe storms later today. We did reach a high of 93 today, which is a few degrees above our average of 88 degrees. Now, Tropical Storm Earl has now been issued as a hurricane, Category 1 hurricane, 75-mile-an-hour winds, 85-mile-an-hour gusts, arriving into Belize tomorrow afternoon, over into Friday and Saturday, arriving into Mexico. Once again, Category 1 hurricane Earl arriving into Belize and Mexico over the next 2 to 3 days. However, here at home, your pool forecast is looking pretty good for tomorrow. Around noon, it's 87 degrees. You got a few storms, though, into the evening hours. So definitely get out just a little bit earlier, and your futurecast is going to show that. As we look around 8 a.m., we're going to start to see some pretty thick clouds in our area. Definitely some patchy fog on your drive to work in the morning. Around lunchtime, we're going to start to see those showers pop up into southern eastern Kentucky, coming into the valley early afternoon. Even on your commute home, definitely be aware as you could have some slowdowns due to this. We could get some heavy downpours on your drive home into the overnight. After around 7 o'clock, going to start to die down as that sun starts to set. Then even looking into the overnight hours, maybe a chance of some spotty showers, but mostly your Friday is when we're going to see that greater chance for rain, as we do have a 60% chance noon to 1 o'clock, even into your 3 o'clock, showing most of that rain in our area. So hopefully maybe even cooling us down a little. Maybe needed some much needed rain for some gardens, and my garden needs it. So your forecast for tonight, 72 for your low. Scattered clouds, a little sticky, even some patchy fog is definitely in the forecast for tonight. So the forecast where you live in the Plateau, 90 Kingston, 84 in Crossville, 85 in Oneida, southern eastern Kentucky, 87 Williamsburg and Whitley City, 96 Monticello. Moving into the valley, the forecast where you live, Knoxville 92, Oak Ridge 92, Tazewell is going to be at 89 degrees. Moving into the Smokies, 92 Maryville, 90 Sevierville, 83 for Townsend. So your forecast for Thursday, 75 at 8, 87 at noon, 92 at 5 o'clock. So your forecast for the rest of the week showing Friday is definitely going to be your greater chances. We do have a 60% chance of some scattered storms, but even going into the weekend looking a little bit nicer. Monday we do have a 40% chance, 89 degrees as those Knox County kids start back to school.